Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the cap closely, fabric, liner, and the exact fold. Remove loose items like tags or pins. If there is a sweatband, lift it carefully. Set your iron to the fabric's recommended temperature and fill the steamer or iron reservoir. Place a towel on a flat surface and lay the cap with the folded area exposed. Once set, place a pressing cloth over the crease. This protects material while delivering heat and steam where you need it most. You now soften the fibers by applying steam in controlled bursts. Hold the steamer about 3 to 4 inches away and use 5 to 8 short pulses over the folded area. Make sure to check frequently. Steam, not soaking, is the goal. Next, place the pressing cloth and press with the iron in short 2-3 second presses, lifting between presses. While warm, use your hands or a curved form to coax the material back. For stubborn creases, roll a towel inside to support the shape. Once you have the shape, let the cap cool completely while supported. This sets the fibers and prevents the fold from returning. Leave it undisturbed for about 20 to 30 minutes. If the crease persists, repeat the steam and press cycle, but reduce heat intervals to avoid damage. For very stubborn folds, apply a light mist of fabric-safe starch or sizing and repress. However, always test on an inconspicuous seam first. If the fabric bubbles or discolors, stop immediately and air out the cap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.